I'm in Philadelphia right now, and it's freaking cold. I'm freezing, but I'm about to get one of the most interesting fusions I've ever heard of in my life. The two brothers who run this place, their mom was Korean, their dad was Jamaican. And so this place is a melting of Jamaican flavors, Korean dishes, Jamaican dishes all together. Is this gonna work? Pretty sure this is literally the only Korean Jamaican restaurant, or is it Jamaican Korean?
We do Korean Jamaican.
Okay, Korean Jamaican restaurant in the universe. I don't know, maybe there's Korean restaurants in Jamaica. I don't know.
Maybe.
Or Jamaican restaurants in Korea, I don't know of them. I mean, how did you guys come up with this idea?
We always wanted it to be different, different is good in, the restaurant industry. And, we, grew up with a Korean mother, she, always stuck to a lot of Korean dishes, but, she also was able, as our Jamaican father was, he ate a lot of Jamaican food, so she actually created a lot of Jamaican traditional stuff.
So your mom was actually the originator of this fusion?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
We can give her credit.
What are one of these like fusion items? You have to tell me.
So I guess like for appetizers, what we have is like our jerk chicken dumplings.
She's taking the chicken, she's adding jerk seasoning, and then putting them in a Korean dumpling.
Correct. Yep.
That's amazing. What?
Jerk chicken bibimbap, right? Like, so that's very different, using the Korean sort of plate and working it with the different pickled vegetables, pickling them in-house, but using different flavors for that.
Definitely have to try that.
To make it fun, My mother came over when she was a small child from Korea. Lived right outside of DC. Met my dad, who came over when he was in his mid-20s. Met in New York City. They actually met through my grandfather, because my mom, found a love for Caribbean food, and kind of met this older guy who cooked Caribbean food, and then met his son. And from there, that's kind of the melting pot that New York is.
This is freaking tight.
Yeah, I mean they're fun cultures too. So we got palaces, and then we got Bob Marley, the Jamaican idol.
Beef patty, one for me and one for you.
Oh, sir.
This is a perfect food.
Yeah.
You got these kind of Asian style pickled cucumbers.
There's a texture difference. So the beef patty can be very one way as far as texture goes. The cucumber just gives it a nice crunch.
Growing up at home, did your dad make this or your mom or both?
Both.
Both? And whose is better?
Mom's.
No. You didn't tell your dad that, did you?
Mom's beef patty was more of a potluck patty. Okay. So she'd take leftover beef, leftover chicken, do a little saute.
That's a resourceful Korean mother.
Yes, very resourceful. This is the Napa cabbage kimchi.
You make this?
In-house, yes. I make this, but in large bathtub type batches.
Dude, that is legit kimchi. Super funky, man.
This batch is about maybe 40 days old.
Is this allowed? Can I try it? I just want to one after the other.
Absolutely.
Dude,
Not bad, right?
that works. They should serve these two things together. In Jamaican restaurants and in Korean restaurants, they should serve beef patty with kimchi.
I want to see why not. These are my favorite guys right here.
They got jerk chicken that you guys...
Jerk chicken, we cook in-house, and then we add a little confetti onion to it, a little onion, green pepper mixture, a little habanero pepper.
And what's the sauce on top?
Sauce on top is a jerk sauce, house-made jerk sauce.
What am I eating? My brain is being rewired.
One late night, it was like, all right, I'm gonna make these. And it was like my little hidden secret for like at least 4 or 5 months.
You wanted to keep this to yourself?
Word got out, quote
Greedy,
unquote,
man.
and it was, the rest is history.
I would pay good money for these frozen.
Yeah.
Take them home and fry them up whenever I want. So what's really nice is the meat itself. It's got a lot of spice. It's tasty. When you take the first bite of it, you're immediately like, I'm eating something that's Korean. But then, I mean, you get that spice.
You get that jerk spice.
Koreans don't have that jerk spice. That's great. What is going on here? Because this is obviously Bibimbap, Korean dish. But you have a Jamaican twist to it.
Instead of white rice, we did rice and peas. It's a coconut rice and pea. It's very standard in Jamaican cooking. Also, we use a sauteed chayote.
So you have gochujang. Do you have
So
any? Is there any Jamaican in this, or just?
Other than the guy who made it now.
Interesting, because you know, in most Korean food, I think between either sundubu
Yep.
or bibimbap, like those are the gateway foods. You know,
Absolutely. Yeah.
this is seriously
Yeah.
wild. I mean, to me, it's that coconutiness that's just totally foreign to Korea. Because Korea is not a tropical; it's a cold ass place.
Yes.
The rice itself, it's definitely it's a little drier.
Yeah.
You know, but it's crispy.
It's drier on purpose.
Yeah.
Because it's meant for gravy.
Right.
It's a rice that's meant for gravy.
Even your bulgogi.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yeah, man.
It's really good. I
Appreciate
like how
that.
it's crumbled because
Yep.
then it kind of like distributes evenly. You use and manipulate Korean and Jamaican flavors, and it's just like they come together and they create something new. It's like 1 + 1 = 5.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this. I've never actually had this.
Yeah, kalaloo is a Jamaican staple. So it's usually done more of a breakfast and brunch type dish. It's a Jamaican collard green, if you will.
Yeah.
Yep.
I get it now. You're treading new ground. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you guys want to see more videos from K-Town, Philly, click right here.
I've been a chef for about 42 years, and the executive sushi chef is actually my uncle. He's been a chef for 31 years.